Hello everyone, this is Ankita Rani and today in this video I will continue with the modal verbs. Our next modal verb is must. So let's just begin with the usage of must. The first usage is it expresses duty or obligation. So with the help of must we can express duty or obligation. Let's begin with the example. Suppose that if I say that I must do my duty. See, I am using must. So if I am saying a sentence like this, it means I am feeling a strong sense of duty. Then I am saying, then I am expressing the thing in this way with usage of must. I must do my duty. It means I am feeling a very strong sense of duty. Then I am saying like this, right? The next example is you must help the needy. I want to realize you with the suppose that if I say this sentence to other person, it means I want to realize the other person that that you have you should feel a strong sense of duty towards the needy. That's why I have used the must. You must help the needy. I want to realize that person the strong sense of duty towards the needy person. So one thing I can say, and just in a bit, like must, whenever you see must in any sentence, just you can conclude one thing, that it is indicating towards the strong sense, a strong a strong sense of anything. Suppose that in these two sentences you are seeing, what you are analyzing, that duty or obligation is being expressed. So here, as I've already told you, that a strong sense, if I'm saying I must do my duty, it means I'm feeling a strong sense of duty. So you can analyze, whenever you see must in a sentence, you can analyze a strong sense of a strong sense of what it can be, a strong sense of duty, a strong sense of advice, a strong sense of order, whatever. I will tell you later on with the other uses. So whatever you are seeing, the usage of must, it will always express a strong sense of anything. Here, a strong sense of duty. Then let's just continue with the usage. Suppose that the second usage is must expresses instructions, strong advice or order. Here also you all can see that here it's not only written advice. See, advice, like should is famous for giving advice. If we say like you should help the needy, so it's up to you whether you should it's up to you whether you help the needy or not. But if I say if you must help the needy, it means I want to realize that it's a strong sense of duty towards the needy person. So wherever you see must, it will always indicate towards the strong sense of, here like a strong sense of instruction, strong advice, order, right? So you can conclude in this way. So let's just begin with the example in this category. The first example is candidates must answer all the questions. This sentence actually you have often seen in your question papers, that it's written in instructions. So with this sentence, what can be interpreted, that candidates are instructed to do all the question, right? The candidates must answer all the question, like all questions are compulsory, right? So here instruction is being given through this sentence. Okay, the next, passengers must use the overbridge. If it's written on a board that passengers must use the overbridge, what does it mean? It means advice is being given, but it's what kind of, it's a strong kind of advice. A strong kind of advice is given by authority to the people, to the common masses, that they must use the overbridge, right? Okay, the next, the third one, staff must be at their desk by 9 o'clock. So here also you can see must, it's like an order. So in office, employees have get this type of instruction, because administration want that their staff should be at their places in the offices by 9 o'clock 9 a.m., right? So it's like an order. So wherever you see the must, it will always indicates towards what? Let strong sense of anything. Like in first category, you all are noticing the strong sense of duty. Then in this category, you are analyzing a strong sense of what? Advice, instruction, and order is definitely like order is in itself is strong, right? It's strong advice. Okay. The next category is it expresses compulsion, right? With the help of must, it what can be expressed? Compulsion. Just let me tell you through the example. It is raining, so I must go in. Through this line, it can be expressed that since it started raining, so I am compelled to go in. I must go in. See here it's compulsion. Here I am compelled to do so. Right? I am forced to do so. Right? So in this way you can express compulsion. Okay. The second example from this category only. The train is due in 10 minutes, so I must be leaving now. Right? So if I am saying that the train is due in 10 minutes, so I must be leaving now, it means train is about to reach at the station, at the platform, and since I have to catch the train, so it's high time that I must be leaving now. I must be leaving now. So in this sentence, a compulsion is being expressed. I'm compelled to leave now so that I can catch the train on time, right? I am compelled to do so. I am forced to do so. I am forced to leave the house now because I have to catch the train because it's coming in 10 minutes. So in this way you can express the usage of must. So I will continue with the usage of must in the next video. Till then, bye and thanks for watching my video.